Welcome to another soothing visualization exercise. My name is Natalie Ledwell, and I'm the co-founder of the My Movies movement, and I've helped over 10 million people manifest their dreams. Now, in a few moments, I'm going to guide you through a very powerful meditation that's designed to help you transform your mindset from lack to abundance by awakening in you a deep sense of love for the important person in your life, you. So because only in loving yourself can you align yourself with the unlimited energy of abundance. Now, it's recommended that you use this meditation regularly to keep yourself in a state of optimal self-love. And as you maintain this vibration, you'll notice profound elevations not only in your self-love, but also in your health, your happiness, your wealth, allowing yourself to open the floodgates of abundance. You deserve to love freely. You deserve to receive love and abundance freely. So now we'll begin to align you with the vibration of love and abundance. So first, if you're not already, please make sure that you're in a seated position or lying down in a comfortable position and in a quiet space. This is your time for self-love, so remove all distractions and begin to settle into this meditation. So once you're comfortable, slowly close your eyes and shift your attention from your eyelids to your breath. So begin by taking a long, deep breath in, so breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Again, breathing in, and with each breath you take, fill your lungs with the essence of love and ever-flowing abundance. Again, breathing in, feeling the love coming in, and breathing out. And allow this beautiful energy to circulate through your veins into every part of your body, from your chest to your arms and legs, all the way down your body. Feel that love effortlessly override any lingering self-doubt, unworthiness, or negativity inside you. Continue the deep breathing in and out, feeling lighter and more relaxed. Take your time with each breath, because love never rushes. Breathing in, breathing out. Feel yourself align with the vibration of love and abundance. Feel it permeating and running through your entire being. Allow it to fill every inch of you, every cell, every fiber of your being. And now, in this love-filled state, it's time to awaken infinite abundance within you. Remember, everything you need to love yourself and to truly feel abundant is already inside you. It's inside your physical and spiritual body. So now focusing on your body. Your body is an incredible vessel through which you express love. The more love you show your body, the more capacity it has, and love will expand. Focus your awareness on your mind. Feel love for your mind, for the intelligence and resourcefulness that it's given you all of your life. Feel love for your boundless imagination and creativity. Feel love for the priceless memories of every achievement, every lesson, every adventure, and every miracle in your life. Feel love for your sense of humor. Feel love for your wonderful personality that so many people adore. For all of these blessings and more, tell your mind, I love you. I love you. I love you. Now bring your attention from your mind to all of your available senses. Feel love for your senses, for all the wonderful sensations they've allowed into your life. Feel love for the breathtaking sights of nature, of cities, of people. Feel love for the sounds of your favorite songs and of children laughing. Feel love for the smells of the sea, the forest, and your summertime perfume. Feel love for the taste of breakfast in bed and your lover's kiss. Feel love for the things that you've made with your hands and the places that you've explored barefoot. For all of these blessings and more, tell your senses, I love you. I love you. I love you. Now bring your attention from your senses to your heart. Feel love for your heart, for being your body's nexus of love. Feel love for the empathy and the kindness your heart allows you to show to others. Feel love for the sense of gratitude that brightens your life. Feel love and forgiveness. Feel love for the forgiveness and acceptance your heart allows you to show. Feel love for the ability to overcome grief and to rise again in any circumstance. For all of these blessings and more, tell your heart, I love you. I love you. I love you. Now bring your attention from your heart to your spirit. Feel love for your spirit for guiding you on this journey through any physical plane. Feel love for allowing you to manifest the people and the outcomes your heart truly desires. Feel love for your spirit empowering you with the intuition that you need to make your best choices. Feel love for having a plan for you. For all of these blessings and more, tell your spirit, I love you. I love you. I love you. See every cell of your physical and spiritual body glowing with the vibrant ruby red color of love. Your mind, your senses, your heart, your spirit. In this moment and from every moment on, you are free to receive love and abundance with grace and ease. You are free to give infinite love to both yourself and to others. You are free to embrace a truth that has been with you from your moment of birth. You are love, and born with the right to have all of the success and all of the abundance that you desire. You are a living, breathing manifestation of love. A conduit for this cosmic energy that holds our universe together. Allow yourself to see this truth. Allow yourself to feel this truth each time self-doubt, negative energy, or another person tries to derail you from it. Remember, you can always return to your natural vibration of love and unlimited abundance anytime you want. Now slowly taking a deep breath in, just breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time, breathing in. And as you're breathing out, slowly wiggling your fingers and your toes, becoming aware of the room that you're in. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Now make sure to practice this exercise each morning to strengthen your self-love and to open your heart to receive abundance. Again, my name is Natalie Ledwell. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.